morning, Trapper here with the Garage Doctor, and we're going to be doing an install today. But before we start the install, I'm going to talk about a couple things pre-job. So the first thing I do when I get on site is get my tools inside and do some of that. But I look for things that could bother my install, slow me down, cause me to fall, cause me to trip, cause me to get snagged. So I see in this garage, we have this chandelier just hanging out. So I'm just going to take it down and get it out of my way. One less obstruction for me to deal with. I also know that later I'm gonna be putting up my radius track. Fertilizer cart's gonna be in my way. I know that right away. Broom and shovel, because I just know those are gonna cause me challenges in my install. I'm gonna put those out of the way for now, and then I'm just gonna do a little job check and see if there's anything else that can be in my way. This stuff here is far enough out of my way, so I don't need to worry about that. I've got a clean space up in here to work on my drums, all of this stuff moving forward later in the project. Here, there's a couple of hooks. I'm not gonna move them because I want my customer to have them where they were, and I'll probably forget. Single car garage looks pretty good. So we're gonna move on with another part of the project. See you soon.